There's a Welsh word, hiraeth. It's like this longing for home, this feeling of being Welsh. And maybe I didn't truly understand it until I left home for a period of time, and it's this strong sense of belonging.
15-minute skip start.
I think in boxing we've always overachieved, and I do think so much is down to having the dragon on your chest and feeling like you're really representing who you are, your family, and who you are as a whole. It's this feeling, this driver that I don't think I felt any other time. It's very hard to articulate, but I'm fiercely proud to be Welsh. I think probably the most important thing that I want to pass on to the next generation is to believe and to have a dream and go after it.
Not worried, no.
Nah, you've done the hard work. You boxed well, you've done well. How are you feeling about the game?
I can't wait. I can't believe it's coming up so close already.
Yeah, you never know, you may have maybe second game in 4 years.
Maybe.
Second gold, doing me over, we'll see. You know, a lot of people fear failure, and I've failed a lot of times, and I found so much meaning in life and people along the way. Actually, the biggest meaning has ended up being the Commonwealth Games for me and being Welsh and representing Wales.